details about Jamie Foxx's health crisis in 2023 are coming out, and allegedly, the same drugs that Diddy used to poison Jamie Foxx with are now being entered into evidence. There are rumors that Diddy's security team came after Jamie Foxx for trying to film Diddy during a freak-off, and today, we're going to connect the dots. As we peel back the layers, the truth about Diddy and what was really going on at his freak-off parties is coming to light.
Doing, of course, the stand-up, doing the one, and then it wasn't until literally I was throwing these parties at my crib, and I would always throw parties for like musical guys, so I threw a party for Puff. Puff comes and big parties, like 2,000. Puff is there, and it's all about him. And I'll never forget, he got mad at me a little bit because I would follow him, and I would actually follow him with a camera, because at that time Puff was the biggest guy in the world. You couldn't even get in his parties. So the way I would get in his parties, I show up with a camera, like, yo, Puff, you need to document this. And he turned around, what's up, Playboy? I said, yeah, let me get that, man. Ain't nobody getting this. And it wasn't back in the day with the camera phone. I had the big Canon that you put on your shoulder and the light, and I said, let me change the battery, let me get all this, right?
Jamie Foxx, I don't know if you saw the one with Jamie Foxx saying the fact that when his special comes out, he's actually going to talk about the fact that Diddy's the one that poisoned him. Again, this is a story.
I heard that story too.
From the upcoming Netflix comedy show, Jamie Foxx expected to include the actor addressing a mysterious 2023 health crisis that left him hospital. This is from today.
Right.
For more than 20 days and recovering for months more, but has also sparked rumors it was Diddy. I may have some of the response for it. Okay, which Combs' camp has denied, but Fox has not. I mean, of course Combs' camp is going to deny,
right,
but it's what Fox is going to say, because everyone's interested in what Fox's story is.
But now if you go and you look further about the number of people that have had this sudden death thing happen to them that are related to Diddy, it's like some viral lung or something, like some weird, but like
Jamie Foxx used to be a regular at Diddy's parties back in the day, but allegedly after Diddy caught him taping him, Jamie wasn't allowed back in. Allegedly, Jamie had some tapes of his own, and in 2023, around the same time the FBI first started investigating Diddy, Diddy found out about these tapes. Then, suddenly, reports came out that Jamie Foxx was suffering from an unidentified health crisis, and for almost a year, he disappeared from everywhere. Right after Diddy was arrested, Jamie came back, and seemed completely fine. Fans started to wonder, was this really a person who was too sick to even walk just a few months ago? Then, during the filming of his special, Jamie dropped a truth bomb.
Allegation floating around that Diddy has set up Jamie Foxx, or that Diddy was the reason why Jamie Foxx got in the hospital. Did you hear that rumor? And what's the detail that you understood what took place? Because all of us thought it was COVID related, and I think Jamie even saw a video of him talking about he had took something and then
right.
Sometime later he fell out. But what's going on with that?
Well, there was a rumor, or I can't say it was a truth because I wasn't there, but there's been a rumor that the whole time when Jamie was out, for the industry insiders, Diddy had did that to him.
Okay.
He caught Jamie filming, allegedly, or whatever. They told Jamie to chill. He didn't chill, and allegedly Diddy and his security beat Jamie ass. And that's why Jamie was in the hospital, allegedly, right? But then there's the thing where they saying that they gave him some type of pill or something that knocked him out. But it all was alleged connected back to Diddy, right? Because something happened with Diddy and Jamie. Now, more recently, Jamie has a special coming out on Netflix called What Had Really Happened Was, and I went to the taping of it. It was 3 days taping. I went to the first show, I went to the last show.
Okay.
Jamie Foxx states in this, spoiler alert, but Jamie Foxx states in the special that Diddy was responsible for what happened to him, and he is the one that called the FBI on him.
So it's gotta be a joke though, right?
I don't think he was joking. When then y'all can determine was he joking or not when you see the show. Cause to me, I'm a new comedian, right? I've learned and learned from game. I know when somebody's setting up a punchline, and I know when you're serious.
people who were actually present during the screening of Jamie Foxx's special said that Diddy was behind his disappearance. The timing lines up. For almost a year, Jamie Foxx doesn't show up anywhere. But the minute Diddy goes to jail, Jamie is back on the streets and has something so special to reveal that he sets up an entire show. The real shocker, however, is what happened after the show aired.
I wouldn't say his get back, but for his protection, Jamie was scared, right? He disappeared, right? He out now as soon as Puff went to jail, right? We see him at the game with Jerry Jones, right? Before, nobody seen Jamie. We just had these mysterious sightings of him on the boat, and then they had the fake Jamie out here, right? Then we haven't seen him. As soon as Puff went to jail, he was at the goddamn Dallas basketball game. I mean football game, right? And now he just went and shot his special. And who's special strongly based around? Diddy.
Now, interesting enough, Jamie has always had like jokes about Diddy. In his I Might Need Security special, he has a bit about Diddy then.
Yeah,
and
but it's not this.
And it's interesting though, because I thought they were always friends. I thought they had like a history of friendship.
They did.
And he always would go to Puff's parties and all
They
that.
did. They had a bromance, so to speak. You know what I'm saying? They was bros.
And then it went sour.
Somewhere. Under the rainbow. Somewhere under the rainbow.
Big homie CC was one of the first people in the industry to speak out about Jamie's connection to Diddy, and he knew people who had worked for Diddy firsthand. These people operate from behind the shadows, and they're here to take out anyone who speaks out against them. Jamie Foxx was one of the individuals contacted by the FBI during their initial investigation, and this is when Diddy realized he might have actually left behind incriminating evidence of poisoning.
And Jamie Foxx reported him to the FBI because of it. I know that's a fact.
So, wait, you're saying that Diddy poisoned Jamie Foxx and that's how Jamie Foxx got sick?
Jamie Foxx reported this man to the FBI because of this. Facts.
Wow. Okay, and how did you hear about this? If you can tell me, or if you can't, that's all good. But you know what I'm saying, like, well, you know, people are they're gonna want to know, you know what I'm saying, how this happened, or you know what I'm saying, what's the backstory to this?
But by the time this drop, this is gonna be in the stratosphere. It's gonna be in the ether by the time this drop. You can probably look it up right now. But by the time this interview drop, this is gonna be out in the ether for sure. These people poison people, bro. I've been poisoned 3 times. Why am I testing positive for cyanide? You feel me? Why do I had pneumonia 3 times. So people like, man, why he breathe like that? Because I only got 1 lung. And then I had a car crash, I got 1 nostril permanently blocked. And I done had pneumonia 3 times. Somebody been trying to poison me. My brother got poisoned with me. The little lady I was bodyguarding, she got poisoned. Like, somebody is carrying on these antics. These is facts.
Is there any idea why Diddy would want to poison Jamie Foxx?
You get called to testify if you on camera in some of this footage, and you want to make it a little bit easier for yourself.
You personally, you think it's possible that Diddy drove Jamie Foxx?
If Jamie Foxx was at a Diddy party, and what we're finding out now, and what they're allegedly saying now, that he had certain kind of alcohol with drugs in it. We had certain kind of allegedly baby oil with drugs in it. And those people touch those certain things, and they have that certain things in them, it can react to their bodies and make them go through those certain type of situations. Brother, if you touch fentanyl, you could die. They got drugs, if you touch it, you could die.